Cannot believe it. I cannot believe that my camera was not running. Talking away, doing this beautiful dip on this tabletop. Oh, I am so cranky. It didn't film the tabletop, but I'll try and show you what the tabletop looked like previous to this pour, and then I'll use the dipped paint to re-dip another canvas that I have and try and mimic the colours so you can see. This is a tabletop on really quite heavy MDF, and I'm going to resin this because it turned out super perfect. But before I take it away, I'm just going to do a few balloon kisses here and there on it, just to add some beautiful floral effect. Not too many, I won't go overboard, trust me, she says. But had this whole thing to show you exactly what I was doing, and then this happened. So I'll try and run the beginning of the video, which it looks like it filmed, so I'm not sure what happened there. Oh, so disappointed, because I super excited when I lifted this up for this particular pour. It is glorious, and the previous table I did in these similar colours, I had so many family and friends wanting a tabletop, so I will do a whole new process of buying the cheap tabletop and making it into something really special. But I could kick myself. Never mind, you just have to, I'm just putting that tabletop on its perch to show you. Literally, I can dip another canvas in there if I have, yeah. I have a canvas over here that, yeah. It was basically, I'll show you how I did it. It was a canvas that it was a tabletop that had been pre-painted. So I'm going to go through the same process with the canvas. I wiped all the tabletop off. I had pre-dipped it and didn't like the colours, and it had a load of things I didn't like about it, but I'm going to now try and recreate exactly what I did on the tabletop, because I really do want to show you. These were the gorgeous colours, so obviously I will just add a bit more of the colours to this, which I used. I was explaining, this was like 50% phthalo blue, 50% metallic gold, and it's just beautiful because it's shimmering because of the metallic in it. So there won't quite be enough paint on there to re-dip this next one, but if I add a bit to it, and even the edges I could use for balloon kisses, like a whole different, like, you know, on cardstock or something to make some gift cards. I really wanted to show you this because it was beautiful, but I'm sure the canvas will come out equally as nice. So I'm going to just do the same colours as what I did on that big tabletop. And as I was saying, I just had so many people want to order them that I thought I'm going to go and buy several tabletops, or tables, side tables, and then I'm just going to paint the top. They were literally a table, little side table from Kmart in Australia. I'm not sure if I'm pretty sure that all of you will have some kind of home discount store that they sell those tabletops in, or you go to the charity, or I think they Goodwill stores, and you'll definitely find yourself a little gem that you can recreate. And as somebody mentioned, you could put the lids to jars that look plain and ugly. You can dip them so they become beautiful. You can do so much with this dip effect, and you do not have to be an artist. I know so many people love to comment, this is not an art, although you're not an artist, this is just a craft. You know, if that makes you happy to have to say that to somebody, then I really do feel sorry for those people, because who cares what it is as long as you enjoy doing it and it gives you joy. It's just, you look on their channels, they've got no content, they've got no, some of them don't seem to have a life, so I do feel very sorry for people that have to make those kind of comments. Okay, that was the colours I used. What I did with the surface, of the previous one, I give it a good coat of white. That's all I did. I have painted over previously painted surfaces before and they've turned out fine. Sometimes they have cracked, but 99% of the time they actually don't. So it seems to make the canvas tougher or something, I don't know. But I'll just give this a coat of white, give it a cover, and then I can always fix the edges up. That's no big problem on the edges of my canvas. I can paint it when it's dry or when it's sitting on the surface. Right, so I've got that done. I'm now going, ooh, it's a slippery little sucker. I'm going to turn it over into the paint. Plop it in. There you go. Just let me give a clean up, and I need to lay like a what you call them, these cake trays. They're old cake cooling racks that are perfect for your art. Oh, my goodness, I've got paint everywhere. I never wore my gloves, which is naughty because then it puts paint on the back of canvas when I do this, but that's okay because you can put a sheet of paper over it if you're selling it or gifting it, cover up all this yuckiness. But give your canvas a real good squidge out. If you've got some smaller canvases, you can have those ready and use up all this extra paint, or like I said before, you can let it dry on the tin foil and then cut out shapes to make a whole different piece of art. So might even try that myself. So you continue pressing it pretty firmly, and if there's any bits missing when you lift your canvas, that's not a problem because your balloon will fix them. Perfect tool. So give it a real good squidge. I'm getting paint all over me. They are my paint jeans and my paint top, so never mind. Okay, let's do this. Let's pull this up. I'll pull it up your way. And I hope, oh no, hiya. Oh, it created a different effect because I stuffed up. Hang on, I'll pop that over there. I did put some sticky tape on both sides of the back of this to hold it down. Obviously didn't work too good. So, but still really happy with that. I can correct those minor, it sort of looks more blurry, but I can get the balloon, no worries, and use some of the paint that's already down on the canvas, on the foil, and do some balloon kisses to get rid of any little mistakes in there. Happy accidents, we should call it, not mistakes. That is just equally as beautiful as the big one that I've done on the tabletop. And there you go, you've got a canvas to go with your gift or your sale of your tabletop. if you so choose to sell it or keep it, whether it's for you. Certainly an easy gift process for you to do. Might as well put a little line of those little flowers through there. Wow, wow, wow. I think that's gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. Like I said, I've got lots of paint remaining around the outside of my foil, and I can absolutely continue doing balloon kisses or dips on another canvas or some little cardstock. Just trying to find, I thought I had a little card close by, so I'll just put that one to the side. Grab me little, I've got a box lid here that was to a gift box, so yeah, it's red, but I suppose I could see if I can pop this in there and create a nice little effect on the lid, repurpose it, and then use the box again. It might not have quite enough paint, even though you think, oh, she's got a lot of paint on there. It isn't actually much paint left over. Oh, there you go. See the areas that I've got a little bit missing? You just do a balloon kiss in there. Just dip it in any of the colours that you fancy that's still left on your foil. So look how many pieces of art you can get out of that paint. And remember, it's acrylic fluid paint, so you get so much more paint for your buck, because it's got a cheap, well, mine has a cheap pouring medium. That's my homemade pouring medium. There you go. There you go, Flo. There's that one. Now I better put that down somewhere safe. This is what I do. I don't organise my surfaces to put my other work on, so that I pop that on another. And what else have I got here? What else have I? Oh yeah, I just put that little bit of cardstock I had. I might. It's just a little canvas card. It's nice to send as a birthday card. Title. Oh, that's got title, artist, medium, subject, date. But I just gift these little pieces if I do a present or something to a family. Look, there's another one. You can keep going and reuse basically all of this up. So there you go. I am going to leave it right there. I might just bring you down and have a close look at that tabletop. Ooh. And I've got to clean myself up. I'm a right mess. I am a very messy painter. Okay, thank you so much for joining me. I just want to say, I will come down and show you close-ups, but I do want to say, a few people have said that they've been subscribed to my channel for years, but they're not getting notifications. So I've been told if you unsubscribe and then resubscribe, it'll refresh and you'll get notified of my videos again. So happy days. And also yeah, there was that, and there's also just a word to say, if you're feeling sad, lonely or depressed, please don't suffer in silence. Ring a family member or a friend or a helpline. If you wait on till the very end of this video, I will be showing you the dry piece outside on my back veranda, as I'm starting to try and do with most pieces now. Okay, so this is the canvas, and just the colours are just stunning in it. And I've got the reflection of my light. Those are superb colours. If you're stuck for colour matching anything, follow the colours that I use. If you know you're not very good at putting colours together yourself, because that is a super duper colour combo. Okay, there's my mess there. That is the little cardstock, and that is the gift box for the edge of that big gift box, I'm going to go around in balloon kisses on that red and cover the red edge up. And then the big one, look at this. Oh my goodness. Super happy with that. Look at that. So providing this dries beautifully, I will be showing you it on my back veranda dried in a few days. And then I will leave it a good 2 weeks maybe before I resin coat it. But this one that I did, and the video is out, I will link. It is going to be, this is my next job now, is to resin the top of this little side table. It's my dirty art room. Got paint everywhere, but that's it. It's an art room. So that's super good. Super happy with how this came out, and I hope you love it too. Okay, my lovelies, I've rabbited on for long enough. Bye for now, until next time.